today's tutorial is going to be the Strappy tank top dress. So I have a skirt on, full length. It's a nice little dress. Straps come down together in the back, but they're not tied around your neck. So this one is a little bit tricky, but again, I know you guys can do it. I am normally a size 2, 4, 6, depending on the brand. So I think this dress style works great when you use a skirt size that's true to your size. I could see if you're on like the end of either one, you could size up or size down potentially. But this one does have lots of threading through the loops, but I believe in you guys. I know you can do it. So to get started, you can do this long side out or short side out. I'm doing short side out. Also, depending if you have a paloo or not, you might want to wrap it differently. So it doesn't matter which side you start from. But I have the long side of the skirt wrapped behind my back. And then I'm going to take one side and thread through the belt loop on the other side. So the first belt loop I come to, I'm going to take the strap on the opposite side and thread through from the side closest to my body. So I'm threading that through, and then I'm going to take the other strap and thread through the belt loop on the other side. And again, I'm threading from closest to my body out, so the strap comes to the outside. You could probably do either direction, would be fine. Okay, so I'm a little bit on the smaller end of the regular ankle size of Darn Good yarn. So I pulled just a little bit of the skirt through my belt loops. But before I do that, I'm gonna wiggle this down and I'm gonna turn to one side and thread that strap through the belt loop that's in the middle or behind you, so in the back. So thread that through, leave it a little baggy for now. Turn to the other side, thread that strap through the same middle back belt loop. And again, I'm starting from closest to my body and pulling the straps to the outside. Okay. Spin back to the front, pull it up, and loop the straps over your shoulders like you would a tank top. That one a little too tight. There we go. Okay, so now the straps are over your shoulders, the tie's coming through the back. You might have to pull some of the skirt through the belt loops to get the skirt tight enough in the front. Oh, got a little snug there. Okay, and then pull down in the back. Kind of do like a little pull your ponytail, but you're pulling the skirt straps through. Now, you could just tie this in the back if you like more of like the flowy look in the front. I have plenty of overlap, so if the wind comes, you know, it's not gonna take it too far. But it gets a little too windy for me to really be comfortable with that. So I like to bring the straps around the front to tie here. But you could, again, you could just tie a little bow in the back if your straps don't reach all the way around. I'm going to tie my straps in the front, and I'm just making a little knot. I don't quite have enough strap to do a pretty bow. It's a little square knot there. And you have your strappy tank top dress, okay, with the little crisscross straps in the back. Here is the full mirror shot. So little straps here, nice knee-length dress. Has a little bit of flow. You can put your paloo on the outside or however that works best for you. And then here is the back. Again, comes together nice there. So I will show you the back with it just tied in a bow real quickly. So again, if your straps don't come all the way to the front, you can just tie a bow in the back so it doesn't escape the buttonhole back here. A nice little bow. Your bows might be prettier than mine. And then you have more of a flowy dress. It's not as snug. But this is an option as too if your straps don't quite make it all the way around. Might depend on like shoulder width and stuff. So you could wear it like this as well. That's a wrap.